It's currently raining outside. I am in my car. If you've watched a lot of my videos, you know that I have 6 children and 2 dogs. So my car is my office for my YouTube videos and the only place I can get away. I've already been putting this video off for a week, so we're just gonna film in the rain here. Since my last video, I have reached over 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, you can just bring it in here. Hey.
I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even know how to open it.
You're good. Thank you. The Amazon truck just showed up, saw me sitting in the car here filming, and walked up. Didn't want to go all the way to the door because it's raining. And I opened the door for him, and he's like, I ain't gonna lie, ma'am, I don't know how to open this door. I find that is just like one of the most fun things about showing people my car is that no one knows how to open the door. And then once I get people in here and they're like, how do I get out of the car? I don't know why I get such a kick out of that. I just like it. I like weirdly trapping people in my car and laughing that they can't get out. I know, I have serious issues. Anyway, getting back to it. If you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate that. Today, we are going to be unboxing the second month of the TESBOX subscription that I have. TESBOX, if you've seen my first video, you know all about it. But if you haven't, it's a monthly subscription that you pay $35 for. And once a month, they will send you 5 or more random Tesla items. And I absolutely love it. I have all the accessories for my car that I could possibly need, but not all the accessories I could possibly want. So here we go. TESBOX. In Elon we trust. Or gosh darn right. You better not screw it up. We love Elon. All right, so I think I'm gonna save the best for last. This is the first item that I pulled out of the box. It's an Elon Musk air freshener. I think this looks so cool, but I was kind of hoping that the little elastic band would be outside the package because I'm very, very, very picky about smells. If I like this, you can bet your butt that it smells really good. But if I don't like it, that doesn't mean that you won't like it because I am like crazy picky. Like I only like vanilla, raspberry, and well, I can't really think of any other scents that I like. So let's see what this smells like. I'm assuming since it's Elon Musk, it's gonna smell musky, but we'll see. I'm really hoping this smells good because it's been raining a lot, and honestly, you guys, like, my kids stink sometimes. I have a lot of teenage boys and kids going through puberty, and honestly, like, I need some fresh air in this car. Ugh, please let this smell good. Okay, I'm shocked. I am really shocked. Okay, I don't know how the hell they did this, but this thing smells so good. It smells like smells like a hot guy on a first date, honestly. I'm just gonna like rub a little bit. It smells like Adidas cologne, and it smells very fresh. Girls could definitely have this in the car and not feel like it smells musky in here. But men are gonna love this, and girls are gonna love guys' cars smelling like this. It smells like a fresh shower and really, really sexy cologne. Oh, it smells like Adidas cologne. I personally love Adidas cologne. When I was in junior high and high school, that was like all the rage. Like, if you didn't have Adidas cologne, I wasn't gonna date you. Oh God, I've said too much. It's been a stressful week, you guys. Oh my God, I wasn't paying attention. I just showed the second thing. This is the best thing in this box, in my opinion. I am super excited about this. I love the color, and my kids are gonna be insanely happy. Look at this. Okay, so there are some games in the car that actually need a controller to be able to be played. I don't know about the other games, but I know Cuphead requires a controller. But this is so cool. My kids are gonna go freaking nuts over this. They already try to sit in the car and like play video games and play music, especially my teenagers that are about to be driving. God help us all. Jesus. So that, you know, sometimes they'll exchange chores or like other stuff that I want them to do for time sitting in my car. And I know that's terrible. Yeah. I'm one of those parents. I'm like, if you want to sit in the Tesla for 20 minutes, you know, and FaceTime your friends or whatever, then you have to like clean the kitchen or rub my shoulders for 20 minutes or something. I know, I'm a terrible parent. Anyway, number 3 item. This is pretty cool too. My kids are probably all going to be asking for this. They 3D printed a Tesla supercharger phone charger, and it has the cable and everything, compatible with iPhone. It just looks so cool. I mean, you could put this on your desk at work and people be like, oh my God, that's so awesome. You could be like, yeah, this is a Tesla supercharger. Oh, thank God. Okay, there's a second one. I don't know. It might have like pheromones in it or something. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but I need help. I know. We do have another Tesla mask. I mean, these are cool, but we did get one in the first Founders box, but it did have a different logo on it. Yeah. These will, okay, so it looks good on me. They have done pretty good with these masks. The only 2 issues I have is I wish I had a nose wire. That would really make this freaking awesome. There's no nose wire, but it doesn't really like fall down. So, I mean, that's a plus. And even though it looks good on me, it's actually pretty loose. And if I had a big burly beard, which I don't, but if I did, it would still fit. It's not gonna, this would actually be really nice. And because it's a little loose right here, like, this would fit men with beards perfectly, I think. Now that it's getting hot outside, I wish that they made them in kind of like a workout dry fit material. That would have been really cool. But that's okay. This will not go to waste, that's for sure. We have another sticker. This is pretty cool. My last stickers, now I'm kind of on the fence about these. It is a really cheap thing, but we also have some really nice things in here, and that's what makes it even out to worth $35. I mean, I would pay 30 bucks just for this controller. We got stickers with the first box, and the first stickers I actually gave to my kids, and then I tried to like go find them because I wanted them back. Because I was like, well, I'm not going to use stickers, but I actually have a notebook that I keep all my Tesla stuff in, all the videos I want to do, all the questions, all the little experiments that I do. And so I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to fill up the front of my Tesla notebook with all these stickers. You can only be an Indian giver with your kids. Okay, I completely support that. You can't Indian give with like friends or coworkers or anyone else, but your kids, I believe in Indian giving. Oh my gosh, we actually have 7 items in here? No wonder I feel like I'm going crazy. I think there's 7 items in the box this month, you guys. Okay, so we got another Elon Musk air freshener, which actually looks really cool. This is the first air freshener I would ever put in my car. I don't even like the vanilla ones for my car. They just smell like, ugh, like it just permeates in here. These smell so good. Okay, I'm going to test the smell of this one. This is the 3rd air freshener in this box. Yeah, that ain't going to happen. That ain't going to happen. There's two good ones. They smell amazing. This one smells like a bathroom at a gas station. It doesn't smell good. It's not good. It's not good. I should have, I don't know. The box is cool. I mean, I'm going to call this one like a flop. And last but not least, this is Universal Dust Cleaning Gel. I highly recommend you get this for your car. I don't know about this brand, but there's another brand that I did a review on that actually worked really well. But I've used it so much that it's actually not sticky anymore. So I actually was meaning to buy some more car cleaning gel. So let's see how this smells. It's kind of weird, the package that it came in, but I mean, it is like Ziploc resealable. So, I mean, you can reseal it. It is reusable. Oh. There's no scent. That's actually better than, that's way better than the other one I got. The one I got before, not in TESBOX, I bought it on Amazon. It smelled like lavender, and then like even after I washed my hands, it didn't smell bad, but like even after I washed my hands, I couldn't get the smell to go away for a couple hours. I've been touching all this stuff to my face Like, I just rubbed the air freshener all over my nose, smelling it like a million times. I just shoved this on my nose and touched it. Watch, I'm gonna go to work this week and have like a huge rash all over my face. They're gonna be like, what's wrong with you? I'm like, oh, I did a Tesla video. Okay, whatever, Sarah. We know you have issues, but anyway, this doesn't smell bad at all. There's no scent. And this one, I'm testing this one. This one's not leaving a residue either. So this is good stuff. I actually used them even on the material. I have used it on the suede on the door panels. I haven't used this one on the suede obviously yet, but the other one I have, so I don't see why this one would be any different. You just have to be careful. Make sure that it's cold when you use it. If it's real hot, then it will be kind of melty and gooey and more likely to stick to fabric in the car. But as long as it's cooled, like in front of the AC in the car or something, like around 70 degrees or something room temperature, then the stuff is freaking awesome. I love this stuff. I love car cleaning gel. I don't know why I never got it with any of my previous cars. Probably because I didn't care about them that much. There's so many things in here. I can't believe it. So, car cleaning gel. Air freshener that I won't be using, but that's okay because we have 2 other air fresheners that smell like, seriously, a hot guy on a first date. And actually, you know what? All the guys that I went on first dates with, this actually smells better than they did. Except my husband. I love my husband. He smelled really good. He always smells good. That's why I married him. So we have 3 air fresheners, car cleaning gel, supercharged sticker, which will be going on my Tesla notebook, supercharged phone charger, this freaking game controller, which is so cool. Nobody else's car has that, only Tesla, as far as I know anyway. And this mask. So that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Apparently I can't even count to 8 this week. Wow. So yeah, 8 things. That is so awesome. Y'all did a great job with TESBOX this month. Fantastic. I am super shocked that those air fresheners smell so heavenly. Oh, thank God, because I needed some freshness in this car. So that is it for this video today. I hope everyone enjoyed this. I hope everyone has a great week. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. I would appreciate it so very much. And I will see you guys next week.